Odoo gives you two powerful ways to customize your system: Studio mode and Developer mode. But what's the difference? And which one should you use? Let's break it down. Studio mode, built for business users. Studio is your no-code customization tool, perfect for non-tech users who want to make changes fast, without writing a single line of code. Add fields, modify forms, create workflows, design reports, customize menus. It's simple, visual, and safe. Ideal for functional consultants, business owners, and admins. Developer mode, built for coders. Developer mode is for advanced users. It unlocks full access to Odoo's technical backend. Think of it as the under-the-hood mode. View technical names, edit XML views, access debug tools, customize models and security rules, install custom modules. Use this if you're a developer, or working with one, who needs full control. When to use what? Just need quick changes without tech help? Go with Studio. Need deep customizations or building new apps? Developer mode is your playground. But heads up, Developer mode lets you change core elements. So, one wrong move can break your system. Always test in staging before deploying to live. Final thoughts. Odoo gives you the best of both worlds: Studio for speed and simplicity, Developer mode for power and flexibility. Need help choosing the right approach? Talk to the O2B technologies.com. We help you customize smart, whether you're clicking or coding.